Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have permissions and a site ready. Now create the library. Go to Site Contents, choose New and pick Picture Library or Document Library if your tenant lacks picture type. Name it clearly so people know it holds images. Add a short description for search context. Once done, click Create and the library appears in Site Contents. Make sure to add it to site navigation for easy access. This first step gets your storage and basic structure in place, so you can configure it next. Next, you set structure so images are findable. Add columns like tags, event date, and photographer so users can filter and group. Create a thumbnails view to display images visually and a grid view for bulk editing. Make filtered views by tag or date for common use cases. Enable versioning to track changes and restore earlier files if necessary. Also configure thumbnail extraction and limit image size rules to balance quality versus storage costs. This makes the library both usable and manageable. Now add your pictures. Drag and drop folders, use Upload, or connect with OneDrive Sync for large batches. Make sure file names are unique to avoid overwrites. Once uploaded, fill key metadata quickly using Quick Edit or Power Automate to populate fields. Set the default view to thumbnails and confirm sharing permissions match your audience. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then supported file types and library features like checkout or content approval. Fixing those usually resolves most upload and visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.